Good morning. It's our fourth day here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The first agenda of the day is to have breakfast at the hotel's breakfast buffet.
Good morning. Let's start with the fruits.
Lots of bread options with butter on the side. It seems like the Vietnamese love their cold cuts and processed meat. You can see a lot of options on the buffet spread. If you love having salad for breakfast, you can mix and match your own or get the one that's already arranged. And if you're like me, who likes the Chinese food spread on buffets, then you'll definitely be happy here. Everything in the Chinese spread in this buffet is so good. For dessert, you can have different yogurts, fruit compotes, and the Vietnamese flan.
Magka-Chinese ako. Variety. Meron sila yung sticky rice. That's nice.
For my first plate, I usually get from the Chinese spread.
The food is good. We're having meat buns. Second plate, Chinese again. The congee is so good. Bacon and bread.
Next, I got myself some yogurt, flan, and fruit compote. I also got some fresh green mangoes.
Green mango, sobrang asim. It's too sour. Mga croissant. The omelette is so cute.
I was already super full, but I had to try the hotel pho.
I just had to try the pho.
You can order some pho at the noodle station beside the egg station. If you plan to stay here, make sure to get the option of the hotel breakfast buffet because everything was so good and it's really value for money.
Morning guys, we're here at the post office here in Ho Chi Minh City. The Notre-Dame building is not yet finished.
Unfortunately, the cathedral across was still being renovated. The post office is one of the structures that remain that shows the influence of the French colonization in Vietnam.
So cute. Postcards.
While this building is basically a very big souvenir shop, the post office function still remains, so you could still send posts locally or internationally. And if you love architecture and design, you'll definitely love this place because of the details that make it so special, like the colored tiles, the walls, the paintings, etc.
Souvenir shopping.
My sister and my cousin decided to send themselves postcard from here.
My first time doing snail mail. Sabi ginandaan ko, alam ko bibidyohan mo.
However, I'm not sure if they've been delivered to the Philippines. After the post office, I accompanied my sister at the MCM shop nearby.
We're going to buy the perfume. Ate is buying perfume. Ate is gonna buy this. Some shopping here at MCM in Ho Chi Minh because I'm MCM and my sister's MCM. We're here at the book street. This side, the post office. Just in front of the cathedral. It's cute. This cute Adventure Time character.
Most of the souvenirs here are related to stationeries, small items, and not much on food.
This is cute.
Assorted.
Non-stop souvenir shopping.
The kids were more interested in playing at the jungle gym.
Hi.
My mom bought a lot of tote bags as souvenirs.
Nobody's at the gym.
When we came back to the hotel, there was nobody at the gym, so I decided to film it.
We checked out and now we're here at the Independence Palace. So you need to pay in cash. They don't accept credit cards. Don't have any more cash. Independence Palace. Actually noon, so it's super hot. Thankful for my Vietnamese hat. I just went here last year. I'm doing a tour guide role today for my family.
I really like the architecture and the interior design used in the building.
Carpet.
I also like the furnitures.
Carpet from Hong Kong. Unfortunately, the ground floor is closed for some event.
The last part of visiting this tour is to go to the bunker at the basement. After going to the Independence Palace, we went back near our hotel to have lunch, before getting our
So
things.
many choices. Coconut jelly. Oh, it's actually a jelly.
We randomly found this place serving Vietnamese food, including banh mi, noodles, and rice dishes, and also fruit drinks. The serving portions were quite big and they're pretty cheap.
Jelly. Oh. The jelly is so good. Pampatanggal ng init ng ulo. Passion fruit. Parang may milk.
If you go to restaurants in Vietnam, you notice that they serve you wet towels. These are not free and they only charge you if you use them.
The trip is not complete without a visit to Starbucks. The Starbucks choo-choo.
I'm not really a Starbucks fan, but for my family, whenever they travel, going to the local Starbucks is one of their itinerary.
We look like brothers with the same color of the lace.
I like that there's a lot of different food options here, especially the savory options. It's my first time to see a mixology bar at Starbucks. Apparently, this branch serves alcoholic beverages as well.
Matcha. Matcha frap.
Pink drink with acai.
Acai.
Trip pag di nag-Starbucks.
Let's try the pink drink. Parang
You like to gusto ko rin matry.
lychee.
Wala yung isang mag-sold out din, diba? Sold out din.
Isa.
It's good.
That's it for this video and thank you for watching and also for subscribing to the channel. See you in the next and last video about our Ho Chi Minh trip last May. Goodbye and stay safe. Before we go, do you live in Vietnam and have issues with your drinking water at home? Or do you want improved water quality for you and your family for a reasonable cost? If so, I may have the solution for you. Featuring the Nazaba water filters. The filter is made of ceramic, has silver for antimicrobial properties, and activated carbon for clearing unwanted organic materials.
Đây, hình ảnh nước đây.
Usually we discharge the
I love it. It also like it doesn't smell. Like it's really nice.
because inside the filter there is activated carbon. It will absorb, and it has a lot of silver here to kill the germs.
Should I say like cheers?
For more information, contact my friend Trang, who is passionate in bringing clean water to Vietnamese families. The information is in the description box below.